Hi, and thanks for joining me for another weekly video. This week's recipe, holiday Linzer cookies. Almond shortbread stuffed with jam or using apricot and raspberry. You could use whatever flavor you like. These are great holiday cookies. Let's get started. For the recipe, you need 1.5 cups of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of almond extract, and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. In a food processor, place the softened butter and pulse to cream. Then add your granulated sugar and combine by pulsing until you have a cream and smooth consistency. Add 1 tablespoon of almond extract and pulse. Then add your flour, that's 3 cups total, and then pulse to combine until you get these kind of sandy granules. And then you have the dough. Pour it out into a large bowl and you're ready to go. Place the dough on a clean working surface. I don't like to flour my surface, and I'll tell you why in just a minute. I like to go ahead and knead the dough just slightly and then separate into 2 batches, and then working the dough just a little bit each by kneading about 2 or 3 times. And then I like to recommend using plastic wrap to chill and to roll out. No flour necessary. For some reason, plastic wrap and rolling is just my method, my preferred, tried and true. So that's what I recommend. So go ahead and wrap those in plastic wrap and place them into the refrigerator about 30 minutes to chill. You've heard this before, working with chilled dough is key. And once I chill it, I go ahead and start to work it out. And I'm looking for a 1/4 inch thickness because Linzer cookies are going to be stuffed with jam. So you want them thin on one side, thin on the top. Go ahead and roll those out. And Linzer cookie cutters are sold at every retailer. So I bought these a while back, but you could use any cookie cutter that you like. So this is my diamond shape, and I just went ahead and cut even pieces for bottoms and tops. Working with an offset spatula, go ahead and remove the Linzer cookies. And be careful with this step because you want to keep the integrity of the design. That's why I'm using a simple, small spatula to remove those and place them onto a lined baking sheet. So be sure to have equal tops and bottoms when you're cutting them out. That's really the key piece here. And preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a 350 degree Fahrenheit oven, bake for about 11 minutes or so. And you don't want them to be too golden, just crisp enough. Let them cool completely on a baking sheet and then remove them to a liner. And now the fun part, decorating the Linzers. So using any flavored jam you like, go ahead and take the solid cookies and flip them over so that the inside is out. And then you place about 1 tablespoon of the filling, any flavored jam. Here I'm using apricot and a little bit of raspberry. Now when you're pressing the top, be sure not to press too far outside the edge or to the top. Just a little bit will do, like that. Onto our raspberry jam. Of course, you could use any flavor. Fig, strawberry, all works out just deliciously. These are so beautiful and so tasty this time of year. Make the perfect holiday cookies. I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know how it comes out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos every Monday. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and I'll see you next week.